Ayaw, ay. Dahil ka umun, ano lang.
Sige, kuha ako. Ito lang isa. Hi! This is my daughter. Ayana Fit. Hi! Ayana, Maricel Fit. Hi! Natanggal ang Fit. Nawala ang Maricel. Nahit. Napalitan ng Migra. Meow.
Uy, hindi naman ito si
Meow.
Migra. Oh, sobra na.
Meow, meow. Oh, taon ka. Hello.
Uy, ba kainin yung ano ko? Uy!
Ano yan? Dirty yan. Come on, let's eat. Magatone. Padyaman naman siya tayo. Milo. Torta.
Coffee and Milo.
Tinapay. You want to try it?
Tinapay.
Gaya mo, te.
Paana ka ang mugawar.
Ay, kamuti.
Uy, sarap lagi ng imong hata.
Oh, naadun eh.
Dami siya ni.
I don't know.
Oh, tunga ta.
Let's hop. Let's hop.
You want to eat hop?
You don't want to eat because you have already to brush your teeth, huh?
Head of my daughter. Don't touch. Don't touch my head. Come here. Come, let's eat.
Jim, take a pose. Take a pose.
Take a pose.
Yeah.
Say hi. Hi. I'm GM.
Introduce yourself. Introduce.
Hi, I'm GM. Hi.
Introduce yourself. What is your name?
My name is Denmark Ezra.
Yay!
Where do you live? Where do you live?
My name is Crystal Mendoza.
Oh my God. I live.
You gotta be kidding. You gotta be kidding.
I live 3 years old.
Oh no 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 no.
I am 3 years old.
I am
3
years old.
old. Yay! I live in
Crystal Mendoza, Davao City.
City. Yay! Oh no.
Ina. Tingin ka ina.
Yes, mommy. And then beautiful.
Mura man ka gubog oy.
Me too. Beautiful. We're gorgeous. I'm already busog-busog na.
Ay, okay, please.
Oh, your picture like again, please. Where the picture nakagid daw? Yeah. Pakita yung Christmas tree, giant Christmas tree sa plaza.
Beautiful Christmas tree.
May wakok di uwa. Rainbow green ko, rainbow green.
Kita yung ano natin dyan, bahay.
Daku,
Yan, lahat-lahat yan. Oh! Mrs. Estivar. Ay! Oh, you ubos your mamon. Your gahi mamon. Yeah. It's panis. You ubos. It's panis. That's not panis. It's only gahi. Ang gahi. Yes. That's ordinary. That's torta. Ordinary torta yan. Yes. That is not special. Ordinary niggers. Ha, niggers. Oh, niggers. Oh, niggers. You're bad.
See that? Awards and decorations.
Mami lang.
Oh, Police Superintendent Martin A. Plaza Jr.
Oh, I will did it. Okay, mo. Oh my God.
Ikaw. Ay, doon, mapuni mo eh. Hindi ko kasabot anak tingin pa. Yes. Kajak mo yung yung sikim-kim, sige anak, natanungan lagi ko nila. Ang dapat, hindi ko, hindi ko,
Anong di man kamo? Posing sa.
Ako nang paano ni Op?
Off na.